Hey guys, it's me Ellie, and today I'm going to be doing a massive unboxing video. So I haven't done a video for a while because I was on holiday in Malaysia for 3 weeks, but I did bring back some stuff for Malaysia that I will be looking at in this video, as well as some other stuff that arrived in the post today and a few other things that I bought on the way to Malaysia. So without further ado, let's get started, otherwise this video will be way too long and I don't want to bore you guys too much. So first of all, these two little extra things that I bought. It's just a fridge magnet and like an emoji keychain with a little winky face and tongue sticking out. Just, you know, little extra things that I decided to buy from Malaysia. And this one is from Langkawi, which is tropical islands that I visited while I was in Malaysia. And the main thing that I got in Malaysia is this like sort of flying charmander. And the reason why I wanted to get it is because like its face is just so cute. It was just poking out on the shelf, like I had to buy it. And you can use it to like store stuff or use it as a pencil case. And it's also got its own little tail. It's really soft, and I just had to have it and add it to the collection really. So that also came all the way from Malaysia, which makes it even more special. Right, and that's it for the stuff from Malaysia. But I did buy two things from a shop on the way to Malaysia on the motorway, because it would be a bit annoying if I bought these in Malaya. I think that's what they call the Malaysian language. I'll have to double check that. So anyway, I bought two magazines. I got this Fortnite one and also this Pokémon one. Now on the front of this Pokémon one, I've taken it off, but it does have some gifts. So I'll just show you those gifts. The first one is this pen. The purple one is like a purple coloured pen, but the blue one is a invisible ink one, and you can use the invisible ink on these like cards. They have a bunch of them, and then you can use this thing to like put over the cards and just read the secret message. I haven't done a secret message yet, but I could show you in a later video maybe. They also give you a little notebook with Team Rocket on the front where you can just draw pictures or write down more secret notes, as it says in the front. The last thing is this like gadget that says scan in progress. If you push these buttons, then these three like things will basically shoot out. I don't remember seeing this in the Pokemon anime, but well, I'll probably figure out what it is in a minute. So yeah, pretty cool little gadget. It's going to add to the collection. And then in the magazine, I'll just show you a few posters I'll put on my wall again. We've got the Rapidash poster, which looks very fiery and cool. Actually, there are quite bright colours in this magazine. And then if I find the next one, it is a Lycanroc magazine with the midday, dusk and midnight form, and also the dusk form has its like red eyes, so quite nice attention to detail in that poster. The next one is quite a big poster. It is a Pikachu using Electro Ball poster, so very cool there. I don't know if it has another poster, I'll just double check. But yeah, I do recommend getting these magazines because they are actually quite good, and they give you quite good gifts, some of them. You know, so there isn't another poster in there, but those posters are very cool. So, yeah, glad I got that magazine. All the stuff in there is quite good. So now I will move on to the Fortnite magazine, and the stuff that you get in here is probably even cooler than the Pokemon magazine. In fact, it's actually a lot cooler than the Pokemon magazine. So I will just take a look at that. Give me 1 second to open it up, and I will be with you in a minute. Right, so the first gift is this, I believe it's orange flavoured popping candy. So I'll probably be eating this very, very quickly after this video finishes, after I do all the editing of course. So that'll be a nice little treat. And then the sort of like main prize that it gives you is this fidget spinner. So just give me a sec to get it out of the box. The box is very destroyed. I can tell it's been in the shop for quite a long time. Put that over there. Okay, so here it is. Luckily it's in good condition. So as you can see, it's an emoji fidget spinner. There wasn't any other choice, it was just this one, but to be honest it's quite a cool one. If I show you the other side, it's just got, you can see a winky face emoji there and a few other emojis that you probably recognise. Yeah, it works fine, which is good. So yeah, I've already got 3 fidget spinners, and I guess this will add to my collection and make that 3 or 4. So yeah, very, very cool, and I got it for free, so even better. Right, so inside the magazine, it doesn't really have anything to show you, it just has like a bunch of, like, just ways of helping you win a game. Like, it's got a whole thing about one shot, and yeah, it's just got tips on how to win a game and like different strategies for, like, yeah, you know, just helping you do better at Fortnite. So nothing too interesting if you already know how to play Fortnite really well, but still a very, very good magazine. So last but not least, I will get out a big box that just arrived at the post this morning. I've got 3 very cool things in there to show you. I hope you like them. Just give me a minute to get it from downstairs, and once again I'll be with you in just a minute. Okay, so here is the box. It's quite a big box, as you can see, not really that heavy. So yeah, I've got 3 things inside here that I think are very cool. One of them especially, and the other 2 are also really cool things. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what I've got. Okay, so I think first of all I'll show you this. If I just move that temporarily out of the way there. So the first thing I've got is Pokemon Ultra Moon. Now I've already got Pokemon Sun, and I was thinking of getting Pokemon Ultra Sun, but I decided to get Pokemon Ultra Moon instead because it's nice to have both versions, because I got Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee. It'd be nice to sort of have like Sun and Moon, even though it's Ultra Moon. So yeah, very cool. It's got lots of pictures on the back of the game. Now this actually isn't brand new, because I actually opened this box quite early this morning, just like double check, so I have played a little bit of this game, because like I was just so desperate to play some of it. I only got to the bit where you get the Normalium Z from Captain Alima, but I haven't got any further than that, so it's pretty much brand new. And yeah, it's just really cool. I'll show you the game cartridge inside of it. There we go. It just says Pokemon Ultra Moon on it. And then inside it's just like a blank white thing. It does have some stuff here, but nothing really interesting, to be honest. Some of them do though, so always check that out just in case. So yeah, it's quite a nice game. I will try and finish that game as soon as possible. Let me know if you want to see a Let's Play on it. Right, I might speed up now because the video is almost 8 minutes long, so I'll just go very quickly. I'll just put that over there. Right, the next thing, which I think is one of the things that I've been looking forward to getting, that's for sure, is this Detective Pikachu plush. So I'll just very quickly get it out of the plastic. Right, so there we go. Once again, like just like the Charmander, it was really soft, maybe even softer. What does it say on its label? It just says it's from the Detective Pikachu movie with a detective hat. It's got a little picture of Detective Pikachu from the movie. If you haven't seen that movie, watch it, it's a really good movie. And he also has his little detective hat on there. Very, very cool and cute. And it's got his little tail attached to the back. So yeah, very, very cool. Very cuddly. I'll probably snuggle up with him sometimes. I like the fact that he has moving like ears and feet and stuff. Actually, his feet are very cute. They're just little small feet. Yeah, so basically it's probably an upgrade from the other Pikachu I have, because I had that like angry sort of like fat Pikachu. To be honest, actually this one's quite a fat Pikachu as well. But it's sort of an upgrade, so it's just so much softer and nicer. Once again, another great addition to my collection, and I just can't wait to see it up on my display. Right, so now we are moving on to the last thing in the box. So this is probably roughly the most expensive gift. I mean, the game was obviously quite expensive, but but it's still a very cool thing to have. I've got way too many boxes in front of me. So I've got these headphones with a speaker. Now, the headphones that I do have is a Moto headphones that came with my phone. They don't have a speaker, and also they're starting to break now. So the fact that I've got new headphones, not only can I use them for like watching TV and stuff, but I can also play Fortnite in them and like speak to other people. I'm not sure if the speaker works with the Switch, but if not, I can always use it for the PS4 or something like that. So yeah, very, very cool. I love the blue colouring. Blue is my third favourite colour. So yeah, very, very cool, and I will get it out of the box so you know exactly what it looks like. Alright, so here they are. Of course, they've got like blue padding along here and extra padding by the ears, along with an extra blue line and blue inside. Very cool, and the speaker you can just adjust and move around just for your liking, so very, very cool. And yeah, they're just very cool. I'll just see if they fit me. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Just, yeah, quite easy to play Fortnite and just like hold the controller and do it, so very, very cool indeed. And just down here I have got a sort of like controller for the volume, and I think that's all it does as far as I can see, I think. Oh no, yeah, you can like cancel and uncancel, like turn on the speaker, so if you do that then you can just turn it off and then you can't talk into the speaker, but if you do that then you can. So I'll probably have it on for most of the time. And then at the end, of course, you've got your cable where you can attach it to this is for a Nintendo Switch and not entirely sure what other consoles. This is for a PS4, an Xbox, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and this is also for your phone, so you can plug it into your phone and have a speaker for that as well. So yeah, very, very cool indeed. If I ever do a video of me playing Fortnite, then you might be able to see me in these. Also, an extra little detail is on the side where it says M, that will light up blue, which is also quite a nice little detail, and the fact that it's got like a little cool like hexagon, pentagon shape on the side. So very, very cool indeed, and a great thing to end off the video. And it also comes with extra little cables for like other stuff, and also has a little code. So yeah, very cool. Can't wait to use all this stuff. Hope you enjoy the video. If you want to get any of this stuff, you can. I'll let you know down below in the comments where I got all this stuff from if you want any of it. And yeah, I just hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will see you probably tomorrow for another video. Goodbye.